Hi, I want to show you how to do your chain and the first row of half double crochet at the same time. I will show it very slowly and very clear. First you make a slip knot. So make a loop with your yarn and take the long end of the yarn behind the loop. Then grab it from the middle with your hook and pull. Then we chain 3, so yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So now we have the first half double crochet. Then we want to make the next one, so you yarn over and then you insert the hook through the first chain you did. You insert your hook through the front loop and the little one behind, so through both loops. Then yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through 1. And then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Then we have 2 half double crochet. Then we want to make the next one. So we yarn over and then we insert the hook through the bottom of the last stitch. So this one. And you insert it through both loops of the stitch. Then you yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through 1. And yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Then we have 3. The next one, you yarn over and then you insert the hook through the bottom of the last stitch. Through both loops. Then yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1. And yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So now you see we are making a row. This one is your bottom, and you see these stitches. These are the ones we are working into. So you have your last stitch right here, and this one is the bottom of this stitch. You see the row down here. This one is your next one, and this is the top. So for the next one you yarn over and then insert the hook at the bottom. You see the next stitch on the bottom through both loops. Then yarn over and pull through. And then yarn over and pull through 1 to make the next stitch on the bottom. So this is actually your chain. And then yarn over and pull through all these 3 to make your half double crochet as we know it. Okay? So yarn over, insert the hook at the bottom through both loops, then yarn over and pull through them. Then yarn over and pull through 1 to make the next stitch at the bottom, this one. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to make your half double crochet. So now you see you have this row of chains down here and your half double crochet. And then you just continue as long as you want it to be, and you have your chainless foundation with the chain and your first row of half double crochet. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!